When you're going out on an important business trip, your appearance matters as much as your work. You can forget about some wrinkles destroying your meeting with any of these handheld garments.